A new bill proposed by two Ohio lawmakers would make it illegal to possess or create fake child pornography. The bill would outlaw using artificial intelligence to create obscene images of children, even if no real children were harmed. Now, the bill's purpose is to discourage child predators, but does it go so far that it won't hold up in court? Leslie Huff takes a look at what the bill would do and why its good intentions may not be enough to save it from legal challenges.
Online child pornography is an all too common problem, and it's one that can be made even worse with the use of new technology. But what if the images aren't actually real? A new bill introduced in the Ohio Senate would make it a felony to possess or distribute sexually explicit images of children that are completely AI generated. One children's services advocate says this is a huge step in preventing online exploitation.
We need a whole arsenal of tools in our toolbox to help keep kids safe. So this expansion of the law is one of those.
The new bill would help target fake but realistic looking images. And Pape says even if the image is not of a real person, these actions could still lead to real children being abused. But a First Amendment attorney says a similar law was overturned by the United States Supreme Court more than 2 decades ago. The reason? The language was too broad and could represent an illegal infringement on free speech rights. He advises lawmakers to ensure this bill does not make that same mistake. Think of it like this. Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet is about two teenage lovers. When you read that story, there are no actual underage people engaging in sexual activity. So can that be considered child pornography?
I hope that lawmakers take the time and get it right so that they don't have to deal with problems in the justice system.
With more local news, I'm Leslie Huff.